Hey everyone, today we're going to show you a quick way to cover up these scratches that go below the stain without having to do any major repairs. I'm going to use this product here. It's a Minwax Stain Marker for touch-ups and stainings. This is not sponsored. I'm not getting this from Minwax and not necessarily promoting it, other than to say you can pick these up at the hardware store, and in my experience they work well. I picked one up that matches the color for this hardwood floor as best I could. This one's called Golden Oak. So we're going to start by taking this out and shaking it up real well. So we've shaken this up now, and basically what we're going to do is take this marker tip and press it into the scratch itself. It'll get some of the stain to flow through the marker tip, kind of very similar to a Sharpie. And by the way, this is a mixture of natural light and artificial light in the room. I'm going to try to do a few of these to show you how they look. Carefully filling in that scratch with just a little bit of light pressure. And I'm going to push it in so that I get some of the side walls of the scratch from both sides. And then cap the marker when we're done. Wipe over it with a paper towel. You can use a cloth or a rag. And so while you can still see the scratch as far as the surface texture, now the color is less noticeable to the eye. And so as you back away, you can see, while not perfect, at least your eye is not drawn to it. Let me back away to standing height to show you. And you can see now, much less noticeable to the eye. So for minor repairs, I think that really does the job. I'll also mention here, for these types of deeper scratches, you could put in a wood fill and then do the stain matching pen. But I think if you're just looking for something, relatively quick and easy, I think this will do the trick. As you'll see though, on the next one we're going to do, where it's more of a surface rubbing, where the stain itself has been rubbed off, but the surface of the wood isn't deeply scratched. These stain pens really blend in well if you select the right color. Okay, here's a bit of a larger area, and this was worn out by a wheeled desk chair. So we're just going to try this. I'm going to put some of the stain marker over this area and then rub it in and see if it helps. I think this helps. And you can see I didn't take off that much. But now if we look at it, I think that's much better. I'll come back up to standing height. And then you can see there, it returned the stain color very nicely. Here's one more area with some stain rubbed out again from that desk chair. We'll take this stain and we'll run it across. Into each of those little channels or scratches. Wipe off the excess. That takes care of it quite nicely. Okay, let's take a look at eye height. And there you go. Pretty much gone, at least as far as your eye is concerned. I'll try this one too. press too hard. You don't want that much excess. Just a gentle wipe. And there you have it. Come up to standing height. And you can hardly see it. So I hope that was helpful for you. It's a nice way to quickly and easily repair some blemishes on your hardwood floors. And thanks very much for watching.